This is a close-up view of this stainless steel in-wall shower niche made by Burncott. This one is the 20 by 12. There are a couple different options for sizes you might want to take a look at. This one is the white. I would say it's more of a bathroom white than it is a bright white, so it isn't like super white and imposing where it looks like it's cheap. It's not cheap at all. This is made of stainless steel, and it's got this really nice coating on it all the way around the back edges and the back side of it. It's some pretty heavy grade stainless steel. It's going to last. There are a couple different colors you can go with as well. There's a black option, and there's one that just looks like raw stainless steel, which I think is kind of a sharp look as well. We need to have white for our next shower project. This is the 20 by 12. You install it horizontally. The niche itself is almost 20 inches side to side. It's like 19 3/4. And then top to bottom, it's about 11 3/4. An important dimension for you when you go to install is going to be this outer dimension. And this one side to side is 21 1/8. And top to bottom, it's about 13 1/8. It's important to note that the interior depth dimension of this is 3 7/8, which means it's designed for a 4-inch studded wall for a shower niche. The back of this niche will rest up against the other side of the wall once it's installed. What you're going to want to get a close look at is the way this outer flashing is formed. There's about 1/8 of an inch part of the stamping that folds over the edge, and that creates a void here. It's about 1/2 an inch all the way around, and that is the area where you put your silicone on before you install the niche into the wall. You fill this whole thing up with 1/2 inch of silicone all the way around, turn it around, and then install it into your opening in the wall. One thing I want to point out on the profile view of each of these 4 sides, it's not 90 degrees. They're actually 92 degrees when you look at it, which means that any water that gets in the niche is going to drip out the bottom edge here and down the shower wall, which is what you want. You don't want water sitting in there. Overall, it's a pretty heavy duty product, thicker stainless steel. It did come with a roll of tape to use once you've got the niche installed into the shower wall. You put some tape on each edge to hold it in place while the silicone cures. And it came with this scrubbing sponge as well, to clean any residue off your tub before you apply the silicone and install it into the shower wall. Again, the color options are black, this white, and stainless steel, and pure stainless steel with no coating on it whatsoever. And there's some different sizes you can get as well.